Kan artli ki post barang panmi daka Series Date West Jati Hill District Meghalaya. Kublai pi ki perlok subscribers mat kumju ngai kublai kelum lang ya baro kat ki bayu I bat page ya kanaka channel kam tam ya kanaka video. Di kendiat lese don napdang ki perlok ki badang yo I thuma ya kanaka video. Te lada pis ngoba bat pi kwa ban yo I ya ki video ki batamai kum ki video kubor like kam kiba ngajupan mi na kapor akan ke channel lara piko ban yo ya kita ki video ki batamai ki bangan upload akan ke channel de subscribe krang ma pinyo ya ki ta ki video ki batamai ki bangan upload bat kum juru lada pisngo ya hap de sa like ya ki video ki ba pisngo ya hap bat kum ju pilaban share ya ki perlok ki jong pi de manta klam do pun slam ngan puli ya ka advertisement jong kene ka post ka State Rural Employment Society District Implementing Division Series Date West Jati Hill District Meghalaya katkum ka notification ka balapan mi haka artarik penai Oktober arjarapusan ka code application ya ki nosenong ki badai napo ka Meghalaya ban pendap ya ki post ki balai ngapo kate ka office ti ngan sepule. The application are invite from the resident of Meghalaya having requisite qualification and experience mentioned hereafter for the following posts in the State Rural Employment Society District Implementing Division West Jati Hill District Jawai under MG NREGE PMEYG and SBMG program for the period of 1 year extendable based on performance. Te kapos ka ba na apply da ka Series Date ka kapos hapo ka MG NREGE nata PMEYG bat ka SBMG kapor kan lo sisnem tangba kasyong katkum ka performance jong u candidate patre hapo kate kapos te ngan puli biang eligible candidates should submit their application in any of the following mode on or before 25 November. The incomplete application will be rejected within further communication. Online mode email drdajawai@yahoo.in. Offline mode, candidate may submit their application as per the format available at https://westjatihill.gov.in into the office of the undersigned. Te kini kilong ki jing penbena nakalang ka office bakot application ya ki candidate kalas date kan lo ka arpo santar ki jong benar November ajar pusan ki online mode kila ban lek email hak website jong ka drdajawai@yahoo.in but ki offline mode ki candidate kila ban lek hapo ka office ke ba la kadau te tongani pa kita ki post kebaningkong kedai ka PMEYG ke post kebaningkong kedai ka post technical professional kane ka long kawai ka post ki kerdan ki ba long ban apply ya ketika post ki ban pendap ya ka BTech BE in civil engineering from recognized institute or university. Minimum of 3 years of work experience in related field. Kata kalau ke experience dan kam ya badai ban submit ya ke experience ban apply ketika post nang ta ka jingsiu kan long karsan hajar ka place of posting kadai hajawai barbaar kadai ka post training coordinator or district program officer kani kawai ka post ki kadan ki ba apply ya ka post ki dapat pendap ya ka master degree in rural development or agriculture extension or social work or PG diploma in rural development or its equivalent from any reputed university or institute. Ka experience kita bandon ya ka lagu no minimum 4 years of work experience in related field. Ka jingsiu kan long kharsan hajar sibnai ka place of posting hajawai. Ka post ran barbalai kadega post data entry operator kani don kam kawai kani kan long kawai ka post. Ki candidate kita pandap ya ka class 12 pass kumjuru ya ka diploma in computer. Experience minimum arts name haka data entry related work. Ka jingsiu kan long khat ar hajar. Ka place of posting kan long hanam dong CNRD block. Ka post ran basau kadega post technical support staff. Ka number of post kan long kawai. Ki candidate kita pandap ya ka BTech BE in civil engineering from a recognized institute or university. Experience minimum of 3 years of work experience in related field. Kajingsiu kan long khatsan hajar sibnai ka place of posting kan long hanam dong CNRD block. Kasira number basan kadega post jangka project MGNREGS. Ka number of post kan long kawai haka assistant program officer. Ki candidate kita pandap ka master degree in rural development agriculture extension or social work or PG diploma in rural development from any reputed university or institute. Experience minimum of 3 years of work experience in rural development or related field. Kajingsiu kan long arpusan hajar place of posting hanam dong CNRD block. Ka post ran number bandriu post block technical assistant. Ka number of post kan long lightly ki candidate kita pandap ya ka BTech BE in civil engineering from a recognized institution or university. Minimum experience 3 years of work experience related field. Kajingsiu kan long hajar ka place of posting kan long ha lasking T hat lasking namdong CNRD block. Ka post ran number bahnyo ka ju hi jong ka MGNREGS ka post data entry operator. Ka number of post kan long kawai. Ki candidate kita pandap ya ka class 12 pass with diploma in computer. Experience kan long minimum 2 years of work experience in related field. Kajingsiu kan long kharsan hajar. Kajaka kan long hanam dong CNRD block. Ka sira number ra kadega post jong ka SBMG. Ka post jong ka assistant district program manager SBMG. Ka number of post kan long kawai. Ki candidate kita pandap ya ka bachelor degree in any discipline. Ka experience minimum 4 years work experience in rural development or related field. Kajingsiu kan long arpo hajar. Ka place of posting kan long hajawai. Nang taka post ran bar bakhandai yung ka ju hi jong ka SBMG. Haka post jong ka block program assistant SBMG. Di candidate kita pandap ya ka bachelor degree in any discipline and mass processes computer skill MS Office. Experience 2 years or more experience in IEC sector and or in the field of knowledge in government sponsor program. Kajingsiu kan long khatsan hajar sibnai. Ka jaka kan long ha amlarem namdong CNRD block. Ti ki post baro nadu ka post sira number ban kong hadu sira number bakhandai kan long khat artli ki post. Ki candidate ki badon ya ka mon ban apply ki ha ban submit ya ka CV format hakita ki website lada pin le online nangta ki ba phidai ban pandap ka CV format ka jang phi ki long kumne pihak ban pandap ya ka kumba julong ban pandap ya ki post kumta hable kumta hi kani kade ka annexure ba pi haban le na ka panta ban fill up hakane ka form hangni karon kam ba pin pandap ya ki kerteng ki qualification ki jakasa kumta terter barokhoi nata kasang kumta terter itu ki perlu ki ba la dan yak experience ha ka ba de par kani ki la tip khamba yak ei ka ba ki de ban kam ban le na ka panta ban thap yaki post te perlu te la da pidon yak kamon ban apply yak te ki post te le no kam kolai te tangkom ta perlu kublai